If you want to learn how to code, this is the best class in the entire world for learning how to code. My name's Todd McLeod. I'm a college and university professor. I'm tenured faculty. And this Learn to Code course, whether you're an absolute beginner to computers and programming or you have experience, is wonderful and beneficial. It'll be beneficial to both individuals. This course covers the Go programming language. The Go programming language is absolutely the best language to learn today. It is the fastest growing, highest paying programming language in America, and it was built by it has amazing credentials. It was built by Google and some of the best people in computer science today, Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, and Robert Gressimer. Google took a look around at all of the other programming languages, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, C#, and they said none of them meets our needs. And so they built a new language, hiring some of the best people in computer science to do it, Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, Robert Gressimer, the same people who built the C programming language, Unix operating system, Unix, amazing, UTF-8, same people who built that have now built this language, which is now the fastest growing, highest paying programming language in America. And so this course, if you're new to programming, it's going to teach you all of the fundamentals, from how computers work, circuit switches, binary, coding schemes, numeral systems, hexadecimal, all of the foundation, all of the fundamentals, and it'll bring you up to speed and get you going with this programming language, the Go programming language. If you're an experienced developer, this course will introduce you to the Go programming language and teach you all of the intricacies and nuances to using this language well. I had a student who recently took this course, and then the follow-up course, the web development course using Go. They took this course and they went from a $25 an hour job to 140,000 USD per year working as a back-end Golang developer. This is a great course. It has amazing student reviews. I know you're going to love it. Once you buy it, you have lifetime access. There's a 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back. If you don't like it, just message me. I'll give you your money back. And in addition, if you're somewhere in the world where the price of the course is too much for you to afford, just send me a message and I will give you discounted or free. Send me a message on Twitter. Connect with me on Twitter. And explain to me your circumstances, your situation. I will either give you discounted or free access to the entire course. Awesome. So I look forward to seeing you in this class and teaching you the fundamentals, the foundations of programming, and then also the fundamentals, foundations of the Go programming language. We're going to have a good time. We're going to enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you in there. Please hit like and subscribe. That helps other students find these videos. And I will see you in the next videos and in class, hopefully. All right, thanks. Bye. Oh, where to go? The link is down below, and you want to go to greatercommons.com. I work for the Greater Common Good. That's why we called it Greater Commons. Go to greatercommons.com, click the link, and that will take you to the course. See you in class. Bye.